Welcome to the instructions video for the Bend Allowance Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you determine the exact flat pattern length needed when bending sheet metal. By calculating how much material stretches during the bend, you can create accurate patterns for precise fabrication. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter 4 key values. First, input your material thickness in millimeters or inches. Next, enter the inside bend radius, which is the radius of the punch or die. Then specify your bend angle in degrees, typically 90 degrees for standard bends. Finally, select or enter the K factor, which represents where the neutral axis sits within the material thickness. Common K factors range from 0.3 to 0.5 depending on your material and bending method. Once you've entered these values, click Calculate to see your bend allowance result. This tells you exactly how much material length is consumed in the bend, essential for creating accurate flat patterns. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.